everybody, Sandy here from Scrapbook's Blessings, and I am excited to be back. This is my first video that I have done in over a year. So welcome back to me, yay! So this video is actually a partner video. So inloveartshop.com contacted me just as I was decided I'm going to get back into crafting again. And they asked me to sample some of their products, make a couple projects, see what I thought. And I said, sure. So I checked them out. In Love Arts is awesome. It is a China company with warehouses here in the US. So the order that they sent me was from California. I was so impressed that I made my own order, and that was from New Jersey. So shipping was from New Jersey was 6 days for me, and from California it was 10 days. Right now, all orders over $25 are free shipping, and you can't beat the price point. We're talking $1.66 for stamps that are awesome. Here's, let me show you some of the stamps I got from them. So I'll have some videos with those. It came in this packaging, so that might be one of the reasons why the price point is so different. You're getting it straight from the manufacturer, not from a middleman company, and they don't waste their money on packaging. So the prices are awesome. So let me show you what I did. I started off using these dies. The first one is this beautiful butterfly cutout, scalp cutout. The second one was a happy birthday with little heart balloons. And then the third set of dies are these awesome 2 font dies. They're a little larger. I love them. Best wishes, thinking of you, stay blessed, and love you. These are great. So they did, for the most part, cut out perfectly. What I did notice for like the best wishes, the T was not connected to the S. No biggie. And for some reason, the happy birthday is backwards. However, so you didn't get a smooth cutout, but it for $2, it worked great. So this is the first card here. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There's, I stickled the little hearts. This is just cut out with the butterfly. It cuts out the negative, and then I glued down the butterfly. I wanted to keep the wings up. I used my my Distress Oxide inks. Kind of, you know, I love to give my tips and tricks for this happy birthday. That's just the bottom half of the purple Distress Oxide. That's all. And I just went ahead and cut the happy birthday so it matches perfectly. So this is a very simple card to do. So that was my first one. I used those two. Then my second one, I wanted to see how it would do with the flip-flap card. And these are awesome. I love the flip-flap cards. So I have the happy birthday, the same happy birthday. The only difference is I cut them apart and I took off the balloons. So I love when I can get more bang for my buck on my dies. And then I wanted to make the flap. And look how great this came out. This came out awesome. Now, to make your flaps, it's so easy. I put my die down, just like that. But instead of putting my plate all the way on my card and running it through my machine, what I did is I stopped my plate before it could cut this top part. And by doing that and running it through like that, it gave me this plate, this attach. So that made your flip flap, your top flap of your card. How easy. These are favorite cards of mine. This one was already taken by my daughter, of course, because it was her favorite. Now, I want to show you right here because the butterfly cuts out when you run this through. The butterfly cuts all the way out. What I did is I put a piece of cardstock. I glued it to the strip, and then I glued the strip to the card. And then that's just a little piece of washi tape to help hold the card down. I'm going to go ahead. I kept it white so you can see, but I'm going to go ahead and use my detail marker to color that black before I give it to Jessica. So that was my second card. But you can't stop there. You got to keep going. So I made another card. And like I said, I love when you get more bang for your buck. So what I did is I cut out another piece of on white cardstock. I cut that out. Then I cut out another piece to use as a stencil. And this is the Inkadinkado stamp masking paper that I absolutely love. And so what I did was I took this and I made a stencil with the distressed oxides, and I did the butterflies. So this is just a clean and simple card using that die cut as a stencil. And then what I did is I took the butterfly here and put it on the card, glued it down. And then this was actually the extra piece here, and since it was a little bit of a blue, I thought, let me use it. So I went ahead and I did some distress oxides on the black, glued this down, and I put this stencil, this inner part, in there. And then this is where the best wishes from the word dies. That best wishes. See, the T is not connected, but that is a-okay. I think it came out perfect anyway. I absolutely love it. I really like how these cards turned out. So, okay, this is my first video for them. You can stop at inloveartshop.com. I'll have the links below. And I'll thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy these cards. I hope you enjoyed seeing how these dies work. I'm going to have more videos for In Love Art Shop. And I would love for you to click subscribe and like this video. When I left over a year ago, I had 1,500 subscribers, and now I came back to 23. So a big shout out and a thank you for my followers. Even though I've been MIA, you guys have been liking and subscribing, and I've been trying to reply back to all my comments on my previous videos. So thank you. You can find me over at Scrapbook's Blessings Club on Facebook. We have a page and a group, but I'll put all that in the description. Okay, so until next time, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.